a green dog on a yellow tree. I don't really match them up. A couple of dogs and cars. One car out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. The dog.
No, what's that word?
The going dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The big dog is in. The red dog